again in the wood shop today, and I'm here to talk about push sticks. You get one of these little chicken foot push sticks with your table saw, and they're really not very useful. They're real flimsy, and you can't keep your board against the fence real good to cut everything good and square with, weaving back and forth. And we're going to replace this with a solid wooden push block. We're going to make this out of a 2x10. I have my 2x10 laying here on the floor. We'll cut some off the end of it, get a good clean cut, a good clean edge, and then we'll cut us off a block, trace this out, and we'll cut it out with a jigsaw. Let's get started. Okay, now we'll go ahead and square up the end of this board. Now we'll go ahead and cut the piece for our push block. It's about 10 inches long. Alright, now I've taped my pattern down to the block of wood using some duct tape, which comes in handy for everything. Now we'll trace it out. Alright, I have the board with the pattern drawn on it, clamped down to our new workbench. We just built this in the last video. Check that out. My jigsaw, I'm ready to go. Okay, there you go. We've got our push block all cut out and ready to go. Now, it's a little bit hard to cut with a jigsaw on 1.5 inch material like this. So if you have a bandsaw, I'd recommend you use that, but we don't have a bandsaw at the moment. So a jigsaw will have to do. Now I'm going to sand this up. You can see it's a little bit rough. I will get my random orbit sander and get started on that. Well, there's our new push block, sanded and ready to go. Now there are some parts on this you can't sand with a random orbit sander, like up in between the handle and stuff. For instance, you might have to take just some regular sandpaper and a thin piece of wood and wrap it around there, or a paint stir stick works really good for something like that, and you can get in between here. But I think we'll go ahead now and take her for a test drive. Well, our new table saw push block works like a charm. I'll take this over this any day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.